How to fix error code 268 Roblox on mobile. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your system settings inside your phone. And from here, you can just go ahead and navigate through, and you want to go ahead and look for your specified app list. In my case, it's inside the app management right here. Go ahead and click on app list, and inside you want to go ahead and look for Roblox. If you cannot go ahead and find it, I'm sure that there is a search icon in this section right here. Once inside Roblox, navigate through the storage and cache, and from here you can just go ahead and clear the storage and cache for Roblox and see if that works. For the second method, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store right here, and inside your Play Store, you can just go ahead and make sure that you have updated Roblox into its latest version. So if you cannot go ahead and see an update button inside Roblox, it means that it is already updated. And for the last one, you can just go ahead and uninstall Roblox and install it back in, and that should fix the problem. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.